Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope your weekend went really well and that you guys got some rest done, maybe got to get out of the house for a bit. Um, Here is this week's learning plan. It's going to look just a little bit different as we're trying to make it better and better each week, each day. And so you can just kind of explore. I have put a couple things down for Genius Hour. If you get all your work done and you want to do a little bit more, that's up to you. Miss Bicknell has been gracious about doing a small presentation, and we can do more pitches. Here are the lessons for the week. You can just click on which day in case you need to go back and complete some other work. You can click on your specials courses up here and it will drag you down to which specials that you need to be doing and going to on the days. And so today is technically a day 4, and so you're going to see that we do have a little bit of a library reading lesson here. You guys can also get your reading logs here. I thought it'd be good. Some of the teachers in grade 3 as well as a couple parents in 3C have just kind of requested about a home reading log, and it's a great idea, and so I thought maybe all of you guys could benefit from this. And so instead of having a parent signature, I have a little section of whether the reading book that you have is too hard or too easy. And so make sure you guys are logged into your ICS portal email account in order to access this, and then go to File, and you can make a copy. And so go ahead and write your name at the top here. So Missy might just write Yang. You can write, if you're Carl, you can write Carl, whatever it is, just so that it's easy for you to track and find that it's your home reading log. And then just go ahead and push OK, and then you'll be able to save it. And so this week, or this day, is February 10th. And so you can write that down. Write the book title that you're reading. So mine might be The BFG, by Roald Dahl. Okay. And then you can write the level, whether you know it or not. It's okay if you don't. Write the time that you start and the total minutes. Your genre, and then maybe if the book is too hard, you might want to switch to a different book. If it's too easy, make sure you're challenging yourself. Just write book, just write JR. Make sure that every page that you read, that there's less than 5 words you don't know, but more than 1 word that you don't know, so that you're pushing yourself. I'm going to delete this so that you guys can have a clear copy for yourself. Going back to the document, make sure you're taking recess breaks, lunch breaks. Math, you can watch this video. It's going to teach you about area and perimeter, and you have a Quizlet, which are just some vocabulary cards that you can work on. I don't think you need an account to access this, but let me know if you're having some troubles. Go to the word, and you'll learn the definition by just clicking right on it. And then there are 9 words for you to kind of master and go through. You can optionally create a Flipgrid here. This might be fun to be able to see your classmates and see what they're up to. Again, log in with your Gmail portal password. Mine is already linked into Google, so I just have to click on one thing. But all you have to do is you can watch this video and you can create your own moves to help you remind how to remember area and perimeter of rectangles and squares. And these are the lyrics to the video. You can just go ahead and record a response by clicking on this. It has your face on here, so you can go ahead and play the song, make a dance move in order for you to do that. And depending on who does it, you can also respond and watch your classmates do it. Again, that is optional, so you don't have to do that. Your Chinese work, Miss Lucia has said that she will kind of be posting things regularly. You just have to make sure you're checking in every day, except for day 3, on whatever Miss Lucia posts. So please complete that. If you didn't finish the art assignment, it's still posted here. You guys can watch the video for instructions. And I believe that the assignment is still on Seesaw, so make sure you're submitting the boat assignment. For music, Miss Yap has posted and will be posting continually on the Seesaw for music. So if you haven't been accessing that, please make sure you contact her to make sure you're getting your work in a timely manner. We've also started science today, so please make sure to watch this mystery science video. You can stop at 4 minutes and 16 seconds and go to Seesaw. There are 2 response questions that you just have to go to. And that's it for today. So if you're feeling a little bit behind or anything, just make sure that you guys are double checking on the previous document and email me if you have any questions. Okay, hope you guys are doing well. Praying for a good week. Bye!